Hey guys, my name is Sangita and welcome back to my classes Easy French. Today we are learning numbers 1 to 20. So before starting, it's a humble request. Please like and share the video. Thank you. And let's get started. Okay. So 0 is pronounced as zero. How do you pronounce it as? Zero. I have written the pronunciation in English as well as in Hindi. Now you see a mark over here. What we call it as accent. Which accent is this? Accent aigu. Okay, so this we have already studied in our previous video on accents. So in case if you have missed it, do watch it. The link is there in the description box. So 0 is pronounced as zero. Next is oh. One is pronounced as oh. Okay, oh. Two is pronounced as the or do. Do. Trois. Trois. Quatre. 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 Cinq. 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 Six. Six. Sept. Sept. Huit. Huit. Neuf. Neuf. Dix. Dix. Onze. Onze. Douze. Douze. Treize. Treize. Quatorze. Quatorze. Quinze. Quinze. Seize. Seize. Dix-sept. Now from here, you see 17 is made up of two numbers. 10 plus 7 makes 17. So they write it in this manner only. Okay. So 10 and 7. 10 and 7 will make 17. And do not forget to put a hyphen over here. Okay. So 10 and 7 will make 17. So dix-sept. And please do not forget to like and subscribe the channel so it becomes easy for you all to follow the language systematically. So the next number is 18. 10 plus 8 makes 18. So 10 plus 8. Okay. So dix-huit. 19. 10 plus 9. So 10 and 9 makes 19. So dix-neuf. Dix-neuf. So this is the last slide for today. French is like Hindi. The pronunciation may vary from place to place. So first I request you to get the spellings correct. Pronunciation will follow automatically. Now 20 is vingt. 20 is pronounced as vingt. Some people may pronounce it as va. Both are correct. Okay. So please like and share the video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.